Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, back with another Cash App free money hack video. So we're back with another one, checking out this free money hack video, seeing if it's legit, fake, if it's a scam, if you're actually gonna get free money. We're just checking out what's going on here. And this one is called How to Get Free Cash App Money Checkmark Emoji Cash App Hack 2020 Tutorial Checkmark Emoji. It was published on January 7th, 2020. It has 48,000 views. And it's by Shelly Farr. Let's go ahead and click play here, get into this one, see what it's all about. This video is 3 minutes 54 seconds, but we might be able to skip ahead a little bit. So he says it's Josh. Today I'm going to show you how to get free Cash App money. He's opened up Cash App. This looks kind of fake because there's a comma here instead of a period. Maybe it's a different country. I'm not sure about that. But he's saying to open a browser. He's probably going to tell us to go to a website here. Don't recommend going to these websites. They could steal your information. It could be a scam, anything like that. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. All right, this guy's moving really slow. See if we can skip ahead here a little bit. So it's taking us to a website. It says get Cash App money for absolutely free. Put in your username, you'll get $100. So he's putting in a Cash App username. Again, don't recommend doing that. Next. So something is loading. It says it's searching for him. Oh gosh. Generating $100. That's how $100 is made, you know. You just click and it'll generate it. Easy. You ever heard of generating money? That's the fakest thing I ever heard. So it's gonna say now he has to verify something. Human verification. So he clicked verify, loading up. This isn't even the same website as before, is it? This is something else. So now it looks like he's gonna have to install some apps. Let's skip ahead here. So he's installing apps and like putting in more information. Yikes. Looks like he's entering a giveaway for a Walmart gift card. Man, this is whack. Okay, I think we're getting to the good part here. So he's opening up Cash App, and that was a cut right there. Hang on, let's play this in slow motion. So I'm pretty sure he cut while that was opening up. All right, he's about to tap the app icon. We got it on 25% speed. Yeah, that was definitely a cut. Something looked funny there. Watch this. It just cut to the app being open. Let's hop back to 100% speed. Basically at this point, I would say that it's not an actual interface he can interact with. It's just a video or a screenshot. So he's not touching the screen because he wouldn't be able to interact with it. It's just a screenshot. This is a comma right here. It's not even a period. So that's obviously a fake design. You know, when it's $100, it says 100 period 00. It's just a screenshot like something he made in Photoshop. And if someone actually did send him $100, he'd be able to go to like the history tab. You know, this history tab right here, and show the transaction coming through. But he didn't do that. It's all fake. Can't interact with the app at this point because he did that cut. And this is just a screenshot. So that's all for this one. If you want to see how to actually get $5 free on Cash App, I have a video on that you can check out. I also have a video on how to get 1 free stock on Robinhood worth up to $500 and $5 free on Acorns. So check those out if you're interested. I have tons of mobile app tips, tricks, tutorials, experiments on my channel. My channel is all about that, so feel free to check that out and subscribe if you're interested. This one's definitely fake. Myth busted. It's not really a tutorial, it's not a hack. You're not gonna get free money. So the whole video is just kind of fake, you know. Hope you guys liked it. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.